we are saying is, in a matter of QD, quartile deviation, we must identify a matter of the position where upper quartile lies. Upper quartile is about Q3. The upper quartile is about the Q3. Where does it lie? So as we can be definite and employ a formula to calculate Q3. We must also look at where the position where the lower quartile lies. The Q1. Where Q1 lies, the lower quartile, where does it lie? Which means we must calculate cumulative frequency. We must calculate CF. So I'll come with a column for CF. Cumulative frequency, whereby we shall have 3 plus 7, which is 10, 10 plus 9, which is 19, then 19 plus 11, which is 30. Lastly, 30 plus 6, which is 36. This is the CF, cumulative frequency. So when we are getting median, again, we usually compute CF. When also we are calculating quartile deviation, we must come up with CF. That's the first measure. Then let us find the item where Q3 lies. So this is the formula that will help us to locate where Q3 lies. 3n divide by 4. What is n? N is the total frequency. Remember, it is 36. You see, it is 36. Therefore, I shall have 3 times 36 divided by 4. It will give me the item where Q3 is located. That's how we shall get the item. So let me seek the help of my calculator. 3 by 36 divided by 4. I'm being told it is 47.25 item. This is where it is located. Let me go to the CF. Let me go to the CF. Let me repeat it again kindly. Three by 36 divided by 4. It is 27, not 47. Let me rectify that. Because I was wondering, it is 27 item. I was wondering 47 is not within the CF, therefore it was impossible. It was impossible. So where is 27 located in our CF? Here. From this information, we shall arrive to our Q3. As a student, you must know our Q3 lies between 30 and 40. But we have to be definite. We have to be definite. Is it 33? Is it 35? Is it 38? But it can never be 45 because it lies between 30 and 40. So that is what I'm sure. Very much sure. But our characteristics told us to be vividly specific or definite. Therefore, I will employ this formula that L plus I over F into bracket N minus C. L is the lower limit, which is 30. The lower limit is 30. So I have 30 plus. I is the difference. I is the difference in the class interval. Difference between 30 and 40, which is 10. Frequency is what I underlined. Remember what I underlined here. Frequency is the 11, what I underlined. M is the item. M is the item, which is 27. Lastly, C is the preceding CF. From what I underlined under CF, what is above it? Preceding CF, which is 19. Then I'll come up with amount of Q3. So 10 divided by 11, that is 0.9. So we can say it is 30 plus 0.9 into bracket 8. Therefore, if you work out our Q3, if you work out this, our Q3 is equals to 37.2. Our Q3 is 37.2. So you need to follow that kindly, closely. Follow that closely. How about Q1? How about the Q1? Item, for us to get this, it is n over 4. And n over 4 is 36. M is the amount of total frequency. 36 divided by 4, which is equal to the 9th item. 9th item. 9th item is contained here. 9th item is contained here. So, what I've underlined will help me come up with Q1. Already I know. Therefore, I know it is in the 9th item. Therefore, let me employ that formula. That L plus I over F into bracket F minus C. L is 10. The lower limit is 10. The difference between class interval again is 10. The frequency which is underlined is 7. The underlying frequency is 7. M under Q1 is 9. Then the preceding CF is 3. Therefore, what is our Q1? It will be 10 plus 1.10 divided by 7 is 1.4 into bracket multiplied by 6. Therefore, it will give me 8.5 plus 10. The Q1 is equal to 18.5. Q1 is equal to 18.5. You can substitute now to our formula that Q3, which is 37.2 minus 18.5 divided by 2. You will come up with QT. You will come up with quartile deviation. This question is common. Quartile coefficient of skewness. The quartile coefficient of skewness. is Q3 plus Q1 minus 2Q2. Q2 is the interquartile, which is Q3 minus Q1, which is Q3 minus Q1. You will come up with quartile coefficient of skewness. It is Mr. Bowley who came up with this formula. Mr. Bowley. You can Google Bowley quartile coefficient of skewness. You will find this formula which is commonly used. So we have calculated the Q1. We have also calculated the Q3. The Q2, which is interquartile, is Q3 minus Q1. It is Q3 minus Q1, which I have interquartile, which is the Q2, then substitute. So thank you for attending this lesson. I hope this one will be so much helpful to you in calculating these sums. It should not give you hard time. It's just a matter of practice again and again and again. So it is doable. It's not impossible. It is doable. Thank you.